Hi everyone, today is the 5th of July 2019. I've logged into my trading platform right here, so make sure you subscribe to the channel for more upcoming strategies. So just click on subscribe. So these are the rules to this strategy. It's a new strategy. So this is the URL to sign up for a broker account. All this information will be pasted in the video description on YouTube, so you can share with other traders. So this is a link to the new channel. This is our new channel, YouTube channel. So this is the link to our forum. You can read video tutorials right here. So these are the settings for this strategy. So let's get back to the trading interface. So I'm going to set the timer to 10 minutes. This strategy will be trading 5 times. So this is what we are starting with right here, 23,708.85. Be trading 5 times, then you can repeat after 2 hours. So make sure you follow the rules. So here we're going to open the volatility 25 index. We're going to be trading the digits under. So we're going to open the chart as well. Make sure you have a strong internet connection before you commence trading. So here we're going to change this to tick. We're going to move this very close until you see the line and not the zigzag movement. You can see that it's showing line. If I move it, if I stretch it out, you can see that the line is not the zigzag now. So you have to move it very close for you to be able to see line. So you can see the line, and the line must be moving before you change this to table. So once the line is moving up, down, then you change this to table. So I've changed that to table. So we're going to open the calculator. We're going for the first trade. Remember, in this strategy we're going to be trading 5 times. So I'm going to start the timer. We're going to trade 5 times. So we're going to change this to digits. We'll change this to digits under. Then we'll change this to 7. Make sure you set everything correctly. We'll change this to 5. So here I'm going to be staking 100 USD. Actually we are staking at 71 dollars, so the profit is 40.8%, so that's $29 profit per trade. So if you trade 5 times, you make like $174. So let's see how this goes. So what we are going to be working with in this strategy is this change. That's the first one here. Once it change to 0.1% in red, you click on purchase. Remember, this is black, it must be red. Once it's black, you don't click on purchase. Once it's red, you click on purchase. 0.01%. So you can see 0%, 0.01 in black, not in red. It has to be black, red. You can see this black. So once it's red, you click on purchase. So that's red. Let me wait again for it to change. So it has to be red before you click on purchase. You can see that's red. There's the 0%. That's black. Don't click on purchase. You have to wait for it to change to 0.01. That's red, 0.01. So click on purchase. So we are going for trade number 2 after this. So as you can see, the last number is 5. It's under 7, so we want that first trade. Remember, we are trading 5 times, so I'm going to close it and we are going for trade number 2. So we have to wait again. This black, you won't click on purchase. You have to wait for it to change to red before you click on purchase. So that's red, but it's 0%. Remember, it must be 0.01. Yes, you click on purchase. So that's the second trade. We're going for the third trade after this. Let's wait for the outcome of the second trade. So you can see we want the second trade. The last number is 4, so it's under 7. We want the second trade. So we are going for the third trade. So that's 0.01%. they are all in red, but I want to give it some time for it to change again. So red again. So let me red. You click on purchase. So that's the third trade. We'll go for the fourth trade after that. So you can see the last number here is 4, so it's under 7. We want the third trade, so we're going for the fourth trade. After that, we'll go for the last trade. Remember, we are trading 5 times. Don't exceed 5 trades in a section. So that's black. You have to wait for it to change to red. It must be red before you click on purchase. this is what we are working with. This value in brackets, this value in brackets, this value in bracket is what we are working with. It must change to red, and it must be 0.01. At 0.02 you have to wait. As black, wait for it to change to red. 0% in black, 0.01 in red. So okay, it's moving on. That's the fourth trade. So after this we go for the fifth trade. Let's wait for the outcome. So you can see we want the fourth trade. We want the fourth trade. The last number is 5. The last number is 5, so it's under 7. We want the fourth trade. So we're going for the last trade in this section. So we have to wait again for it to change to red, 0.01 in red before we click on purchase. So that's red. So that's the last trade for the section. Then once we calculate what we've made, so you can see we want the fifth trade, so we want all the trades. So the last number is 2, so it's under 7. So let's calculate what we made. Remember, this is what we started with, 23.708.85. so we have a 23.853 23.853.85 minus 23.708.85. so we make $145 just in about 3 or 4 minutes. We make $145. So even if you lost one trade, you will still be in profit. Even if you lost one trade out of 5 trades, you will still make around $40 something. So you can see the strategy is 100% guaranteed. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, and make sure you join our forum to read video tutorials. Remember, do not trade more than 5 times. When you are using this strategy, you can repeat after 2 hours. All the settings are here. You can do it 3 times in a day. Make sure the value change to 0.01 right here, and it must be in red, not black. So thanks for watching. Bye.